Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Basant Festival of Punjab cancelled this year due to COVID-19, spokesperson says. Punjab government spokesperson Musarrat Jamshed Cheema announced ban on Basant kite flying celebration festival across the province this year due to COVID-19 and deaths caused by sharply polished twin used to fly kites. 5 POs arrested in Sargodha. The police arrested 5 proclaimed offenders during the last 24 hours in the district. Kohat WSSP holds walk to raise awareness about cleanliness. The Water Supply and Sanitation Program, Kohat in collaboration with traders held a joint walk to raise awareness among people about cleanliness in the district. Saudi Arabia imposes temporary ban on entry from 21 countries. Saudi Arabia imposes temporary ban on the entry from 21 countries. Saudi Arabia has imposed temporary ban on the entry of passengers from 21 countries including Pakistan. However, Saudi citizens, diplomats, health practitioners and their families were exempted from the travel restriction. Oppo, the smart device brand, signed an MoU with Peshawar Zalmi ahead of HBL PSL 6. 5 family members laid to rest in Kalandarabad. The funeral prayer of the 5 family members who were suffocated to death by gas leakage in Islamabad was offered and laid to rest at Gujri, Kalandarabad. Mysterious video shows parked motorcycle moving by itself. A CCTV video has gone viral on social media which showed a parked motorcycle suddenly started moving by itself on a silent street at night. Cool, dry weather forecast for Balochistan. The Met Office has forecast mainly cold and dry weather in most part, while very cool along with frosty in central parts with hilly areas of the province during the next 24 hours. Roads leading to Murree open for tourists. Official. This is the end of today's news. Subscribe our YouTube channel, like it, comments on it and share it, and also follow us on Facebook. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.